2021 Ford Explorer Timberline First Look. Exploring Jeep Territory.
Please support us by pressing the like button and subscribing so that this channel will grow and provide many benefits for you. And don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you get notification updates about the latest videos from us. Thank you.
Ford says our long collective house arrest has us itching to hit the trails, accelerating a trend that has seen Explorer owners reporting a 56% increase in off-road use over the last 3 years. To ensure these increasingly outdoorsy family SUV customers don't defect to the forthcoming 3-row Jeep Grand Cherokee L, the company is rolling out the 2021 Ford Explorer Timberline, which it claims will be the most off-road capable Explorer ever. What off-road gear does the 2021 Ford Explorer Timberline get? Ford has given the Explorer a total off-road readiness overhaul in creating the Timberline. Starting from the bottom up, there's a rugged set of 265/65 R18 Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires with an aggressive yet allegedly quiet tread pattern. Those tires alone provide a 1/4 inch of additional ground clearance, which a mild suspension lift increases the total to 0.8 inch. That raises the Explorer's minimum running ground clearance from 7.9 to 8.7 inches. Revised bumper fascia further improve the approach and departure angles to 23.5 and 23.7 degrees respectively, up from 20.1, 22.0. In case that's still not quite enough clearance, an extensive set of steel skid plates protects the chin powertrain and other vulnerable underbody bits. In addition to the lift, there are revisions to the power steering calibration, new anti-roll bar and spring rates, and heavy-duty shocks from Police Interceptor are modified for off-road use and subbed in for the stock pieces, with the fronts incorporating rebound springs to smooth things out when traversing the wildest whoop-de-doos. A torsion rear differential helps ensure the rear tire with the best grip gets the most torque, helpful when scrambling up steep slippery trails. And there's a terrain management system with 7 modes, including trail and deep snow, sand and hill descent control come standard. And if all that lets you down and your Timberline requires a tow strap extraction, a set of red Ember tow hooks in front are rated at 150% of the truck's gross vehicle weight. About that most capable claim. So can this new Explorer Timberline without a low-range transfer case. Greater than really be more capable than the 4th-gen body-on-frame Explorer sold between 2006 to 2010 that offered a proper low range and more rugged 4-wheel drive? The Timberline bests its body-on-frame forebear by 0.4 inch in ground clearance but trails it in approach and departure angles, 28.2 and 23.8 degrees for the 2010. And while the old truck's 5-speed automatic ends up with the same number of overall gear ratios, its best low-range first-gear crawl ratio of 29.8. Is nearly double the 2021 model's 16.9. First gear. And while the Timberline's 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder generates 8 more horsepower than the 4th-gen model's V8, really, it falls 5 pound-feet shy on torque. For that reason, we can't imagine it being able to match the old-timer for climbing steep rocks at a slow, deliberate pace. Or maybe that torsion diff and brainy terrain management system can work miracles. We'll see. In the contemporary 3-row off-roading space, we anticipate the forthcoming trail-rated Jeep Grand Cherokee L with its available quadra-drive 2.2-speed active transfer case and electronic limited-slip rear differential will be the more capable climber, especially with the optional Hemi and adjustable air suspension. How will the Timberline perform? Those skid plates, the differential, and all-terrain tires all add some weight, while the larger tires impart 2% taller gearing, all of which will likely combine to blunt acceleration considerably relative to the only Explorer XLT 4-cylinder we've tested, which was rear-wheel drive. Figure the low to mid-7-second range to 60 miles per hour. It's also worth noting that its EPA ratings of 19.23/21 mpg rank it closer to the twin-turbo 6.18/24/20 than to the basic 2.3-liter 20.27/23, all with AWD. The plunge in highway economy suggests those fatter tires, higher ride height, and probably less slick fascia and grille do not make the wind happy. It's worth noting that the Jeep Grand Cherokee L V6 is rated 18.25/21 mpg with 4WD.
Thanks for watching.
Drop a like. Leave a comment.
And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.